am outside of my house, and it is very sunny. Do you remember when I drew a picture of my house and it was a very long rectangle? There it is. Today, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go for a little walk, and I thought I'd bring you with me. I'm going to go and collect some leaves. Here we go. I'm going to point my camera away from me while we walk so you can see my neighborhood. I live in a little community, and there are lots of people that live here. See all the houses? All right. So for my walk to collect my leaves, I just need my neighborhood and a bag. Can you see my bag? This was a gift that I received, so I decided to recycle my bag and put my leaves in it. There are a lot of leaves here, but I know I'm gonna find some that way. So I'm gonna walk over there, and I'll see you soon. All right, I made it over here. Can you hear that wind blowing? It's not cold wind, just windy. All right, I see some leaves. Maybe I'll collect a few of these ones. These are very red. See that? I like these. I made a painting of autumn, and I don't know if you remember, but I said they kind of remind me of lemons, this shape. This one looks like a rose petal, like it came right off of a flower. Let me get some more of these. Oh, this one has a hole in it. That's okay. Whoa, look at this one. It doesn't look like the red one, but it's still pretty cool. All right, put my bag. Okay, put some in my bag. I'm gonna get some more because I'm gonna do a couple of activities with my leaves. We get to sort our leaves this week, and we get to do some leaf art. And your leaf art gets to be whatever you want it to be, which is very exciting. All right, I'm gonna walk around this way a little bit. Oh, do you see the sign? What does it say? S-T-O-P. That is a stop sign. You're correct. It means you have to stop. Oh, look at all those beautiful leaves. All right, let's continue. Oh, I'll stop, and then we'll go. Some of the leaves are still green on the tree and on the ground. This one is a little bit of both, red and green. And there's small ones, and medium ones, and then there's also big ones. Put them all in my bag. I like these ones too. They have a lot of points. Put it in my bag. What? This one has even more points than the last one. You know what I'm gonna do? Put it in my bag. All right, let's see what else I can find. I'm gonna have some green ones. Ooh, here's one. Ooh, here's another one. Ooh, I like this one. All right, collecting. It's a lot of work to collect all these leaves. All right, I'm gonna collect a couple more. Let's go this way. One more second. Oh, you hear the cars going by? It's nice and shady over here. All right, yeah, it's kind of yellow and brown. Ooh, this one kind of looks purple. Some more. Some brown ones too. I like all of the leaves and all of the colors. It's a lot of fun. These, ooh, you see that one? That one's very pretty. It reminds me of lemonade because it's yellow and red. Look at all those leaves. All right, I'm gonna pick up a couple more of these leaves, and then I will see you soon so we can do some art. Hello everybody, I'm back. I made it with my leaves. I've taken some out of my bag already, and I put the rest to the side. I want to make sure I save some so that I can do some art with it later. Put those to the side, and I took out a few. Now I wanted to look at these leaves with you. Do you remember when we were collecting them, we saw that I had some brown leaves? So maybe I'm gonna move these leaves up and we'll look at them together. So some of our leaves might be brown. And if you notice, they might be different shades of brown too. A darker brown and a lighter brown. Some of our leaves might look a little purple or red. Oh, I dropped it. Or red. Or even yellow and green. So what I'd like to do with you is I'd like to sort our leaves. And there are lots of different ways that you can sort these leaves. You can sort them by color or shape or size. And as you see, Ms. Showman is sorting her leaves on white paper. This is so you can see the colors. You can do it on paper, a flat surface like a table, or you can use your sorting tray if you have it. So let's start sorting. I think I'm going to start by sorting by color. So we talked about brown. Do some brown leaves in this pile. No, you're right. That's not brown. So we'll start a new pile for my red leaves. Right, let's pick another one. This one. Oh, that's another one for brown. I have a lot of brown leaves. And some more red ones. Put those with our red. One more red. And we talked about a purple. There it is. Maybe we'll start a purple pile too. Oh wow, I already have 3 different piles. This is exciting. And I'll start, what's this? Green. And I'll do a green pile. So I have 4 different piles of my colored leaves. You might have more or less. So you might have more or you might have less, which means there's not as many, and that's okay. Remember, you can sort them by any way you'd like. Another thing we can do with our leaves is patterns, and patterns are very exciting. It's something that kind of repeats itself. Do you know what that means? It goes over and over and over and over. So I'll give you an example. If I have a red leaf first, I'm going to move all these leaves out of the way because I don't want to confuse you with the pattern we're making. I'll put them on the table next to me. Okay. So I'm going to start with a red leaf. And then I'm going to do a brown leaf. Oh, there's one on top. And it's red, which is perfect because my pattern is going to be colors. So red, brown, red. What would come next? Brown. You're right. Do you see how Ms. Sherman said it repeats itself? It's the same again and again. So we have a red and a brown and a red and a brown and a... You're right, red would be next. You can make a song when you make patterns. I like to. Let's do one more on our pattern. You have a red and a brown and a red and a brown and a red and what's next in the pattern? And a brown. You're right. That was a very fun pattern. And patterns are just like sorting, that you can make a pattern however you want, with colors or patterns or shapes. So maybe you do a lemon shaped leaf and another lemon shaped leaf. Oh, and then we have a pokey leaf. And then we would have 2 more lemon shaped leaves. So even the number in your pattern changes. I can't wait to do patterns with you.